What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? As sad as it is, you saw the title, it is time to say goodbye to the 1994 Mustang GT. We've done about everything that we can do to it over here on Auto Auctions Rebuild channel, and now it's time for Mike, aka Weird Beard, on YouTube to work his magic. Mike is going to get these fenders right. He's going to put a hood on it. He's going to get the header panel in it. Mike is going to put this sucker right back together, and he's going to make it look good. I think he's going to paint it. Yeah, we got all this just you know, it'll hold. Gorilla tape for the win, man. Gorilla tape for the win. So the wind chill out here right now is 7 degrees. It is very cold, and I do not intend on spending a lot of time standing out here chatting with you guys. Here it is. It's running. It's driving. Now the real test is to take it on. We're not actually going all the way to Weird Beard. He's going to meet us in Norman to save us a little time. So we're going to drive it about 30 minutes. And I guess that'll be the real test. So far, everything looks good. Temperature's holding steady. Heat works. Let's get on the road. Let's see if we make it. All right, so this is the moment of truth here. I've said that a lot with this car. So far, the car has passed every test with flying colors, but it's a whole nother story when you're talking about a 30-minute drive on the interstate. We have not had this car up to these kinds of speeds, and right now we're merging on. Let's see how it does. All right, we're at 50. I need to get over a lane here. We're at 55. There's 60 miles an hour in 4th gear. Got a slight vibration in the steering wheel, very slight. Can you pan over to the steering wheel? You can see, can you see it shaking? And we got a very slight vibration in the steering wheel. So nothing too major, but I need to speed up. We're at 55 again. Get her back up to 60, which is the speed limit. 5th gear. We'll set the cruise control. And there's cruise. Cruise control works. There you have it. We are cruising on the interstate at 63 miles an hour in a car that has been sitting for the past 3 to 5 years. Let's see if we make it all the way down to Norman. All right, we are still on the road. We're getting close to the halfway mark here, and we're doing good. Engine temperature is nice and cool. All the gauges look normal. No warning lights are on. Steady 60 miles an hour. Look at that overcast sky though, right? Oh, let me tell you something. It is colder than a witch's you know what out here today. So yeah, we're sitting here right about 60 miles an hour, and we do have a slight vibration. I did notice though, I mean, it's either a wheel balance issue, or more than likely the car probably just needs a set of tires. But once you cross 60, you get up to around 65 or so, the back end starts vibrating like crazy. So maybe that tire that had a bad valve stem that was totally flat when we got it, maybe it sat flat for so long that it's actually got a flat spot in it. But you cross 60, once you hit about 65, you really start feeling it, and you quickly learn to keep it below 60. All right, we just hit Moore, Oklahoma. One more city to go, and we will be in Norman. See you when we get there. Well, it looks like we made it. I mean, I don't want to speak too soon or anything, but this is my exit. Here we go. We made it to Norman. Now let's see if we beat Mike to the boat shop. All right, we're here, boys and girls. This is Mike's first time seeing this car, so what do you think of it?
Nice.
Can you fix it though?
I think so. It didn't look bad on the video.
No, I don't think it's that bad.
Yeah.
The core sport was definitely a little further back than I had originally thought, but I knocked it out far enough with it. You can see I kind of beat I didn't beat it too bad, but the radiator was in the battery tray, so I had to get it out enough just to get a battery in it. And I know everybody's wondering, now that we took it on the highway and we romped on it a little bit, Is there water in the oil? Nope. Clear as a bell. And look at that, good pressure on the cooling system. No leaks. And now it's out of my hands. Get over to Weird Beard. His name's Mike. But go to Weird Beard on YouTube, because from here on out, this is his. You know, whatever he's got to do to it, he's going to do to it. And you're going to have to watch it over there. Stay tuned, everybody. And we're back home. And if you noticed, I got a lot of my garage clean. I got everything put back up. I got my tools picked up and organized. Thanks to all that 60-mile-an-hour wind we had last night, I got a ton of leaves over here to clean up. But the spot where the Mustang had sat, I'm going to miss her. Really am. But that's really about all there is for this video, except for one thing. I want to give a big shout out to William over at Snowball Media. Check out Snowball Media on YouTube. And hey, comment, tell him Randy sent you, because William is actually helping me do a little bit of editing. Editing is quite time consuming, and he said, hey man, I do editing and I'd love to help your channel out, because he knows it's time consuming and wanted me to have a little more time focusing on the cars and the builds rather than editing. So we're going to let him edit a couple videos, and we'll see how they go, and I'll let you guys comment and see if you can tell the difference between my editing and his. We'll see here in the near future. Tell me what you think. Either way, I appreciate you, William. Thank you so much. That's a huge help. I do appreciate you. Also, this win, man. Also want to say thank you to Ed. I'm not going to give out his last name, but Ed is a subscriber that watches this channel, and he is sending Mike a MacBook Pro, a 2012 model. Needs a little bit of work, but at least it'll get Mike into the Mac ecosystem so that him and I are on the same page when it comes to video editing, make things a lot easier for us to work together on. So big shout out to Ed, big shout out to William from Snowball Media on YouTube. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, because without you, none of this would exist, and don't think for a minute that I forget that ever. I know that you all make this possible for me, and I can't thank you enough. I've got a wind chill of about 7 degrees blowing through my face, and I think I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I don't love it. Whew. Okay, that's ridiculously cold, guys. We're done. We're out of here. Hey, Monday, we're going to do a, well, not Monday for you. I am doing a Copart walk around this week. So stay tuned for that. I think we're going to do an autoauctions.io. A lot of you have been missing the autoauctions.io videos that we usually do on Monday. So Monday, you're going to get an autoauctions.io video. Tuesday, you're going to get the Copart walk-around video. Wednesday, I don't know, because truthfully, I'm out of here. I'll be gone Tuesday. Monday night or Tuesday, I'll be out of state. I'll be in Washington, so I'll do my best to put a video or two up, but until Friday, there may not be much out except for on Monday and Tuesday, so you may have to just miss me on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But if I can find something cool at auction, of course I'm going to pick it up for you guys. I'll do my best. For now, though, I got to go. Stay safe out there, everybody. I'll catch you hey, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon. I have to say it. And if you enjoyed the content, give the video a thumbs up. Now I'm out of here. Stay safe, everybody. Catch you very soon in the next one.